Space has always captivated us. The twinkling stars, the distant planets, the vastness of the cosmos. It's a realm of mystery and wonder. It beckons us to explore, to understand our place in the universe. Our solar system is a treasure trove of celestial objects. Each planet and moon holds unique stories. Jupiter, the largest planet, commands attention. Its swirling storms and massive presence make it a captivating subject of study. Orbiting Jupiter is a family of moons, each with its own story to tell. Some are icy worlds, potentially harboring vast oceans beneath their frozen surfaces. And then there's Metis, a small moon with a big story. Jupiter's gravitational pull holds this diverse collection of moons in its sway. Like a celestial shepherd, Jupiter guides its moons through the vastness of space. This gravitational dance has shaped the destinies of these moons, influencing their orbits, compositions, and even their potential for life. Among these moons, Metis stands out, not for its size, as it's one of the smallest, but for its proximity to Jupiter. Its orbit lies within Jupiter's faint ring system, a delicate band of dust and ice particles. To understand Metis is to understand the intricate workings of Jupiter's system. Discovered in 1979 by the Voyager 1 spacecraft, Metis opened a new chapter in our understanding of Jupiter's system. Named after a mythological Greek titan, Metis embodies the spirit of wisdom and deep thought. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore Metis, a moon full of wonder. Jupiter, a king among planets, reigns over a vast and diverse collection of moons. Each moon is a world of its own, with its own unique story to tell. The first hints of Jupiter's lunar entourage emerged in the 17th century, when Galileo Galilei pointed his rudimentary telescope towards the heavens. He discovered 4 points of light that seemed to dance around Jupiter. These 4 celestial objects, now known as Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, became known as the Galilean moons. Over the centuries, our knowledge of Jupiter's moon system has grown exponentially. Fast forward to the late 20th century, a time marked by ambitious space exploration and groundbreaking discoveries. The Voyager 1 spacecraft, on its grand tour of the outer solar system, set its sights on Jupiter. As Voyager 1 hurtled through space, its cameras captured images of Jupiter's intricate cloud systems and the swirling chaos of its great red spot. This faint point of light, barely discernible against the backdrop of stars, would later be confirmed as a new moon orbiting Jupiter. The discovery of a new celestial object brings with it the honor and responsibility of bestowing upon it a name. Astronomers, guided by tradition and a desire to honor the rich history of scientific discovery, often turn to mythology when naming newly discovered celestial objects. The International Astronomical Union follows specific guidelines to ensure consistency and clarity in astronomical nomenclature. For Jupiter's moons, the tradition is to use names from Roman and Greek mythology. The newly discovered moon near Jupiter was eventually given the name Metis, a name steeped in Greek mythology. Metis was a titan, a deity of wisdom, deep thought, and cunning. In Greek mythology, Metis was the first wife of Zeus, the king of the gods. According to prophecy, Metis would bear powerful children who could potentially overthrow Zeus. Fearful of this prophecy, Zeus tricked Metis and swallowed her whole. The name Metis therefore carries a sense of wisdom, strategic thinking, and hidden influence. Metis, in the vast expanse of space, might seem insignificant at first glance. It's dwarfed by Jupiter, a giant among planets. And even among Jupiter's family of moons, Metis is a small fry. But don't let its size fool you. This tiny world holds big surprises. Its average diameter is a mere 40 kilometers. It's a cosmic pebble compared to Jupiter's massive presence. Metis may be small, but it's a testament to the fact that even the smallest celestial objects can hold clues to the grand mysteries of the cosmos. It's a reminder that size isn't everything when it comes to scientific significance. Unlike the majestic spherical planets that grace our night sky, Metis doesn't conform to the traditional image of a celestial object. Instead, Metis resembles a cosmic potato, its surface sculpted by countless impacts from asteroids, comets, and other space debris. This irregular shape tells a story of its tumultuous past, a history marked by collisions and gravitational interactions. Studying the craters and grooves on Metis's surface provides scientists with valuable insights into the history of our solar system. Metis is a speed demon, zipping around Jupiter at an astonishing pace. It completes one orbit around the giant planet in just under 7 hours. Imagine witnessing a sunrise and sunset in the span of a few hours. This swift orbit is a consequence of Jupiter's immense gravitational pull. Like a cosmic slingshot, Jupiter's gravity whips Metis around in a tight, elliptical path. This close dance with the giant planet also subjects Metis to intense tidal forces. While we don't have detailed images of Metis's surface, astronomers have been able to glean some information about its composition based on its brightness and the way it reflects light. Metis is thought to be primarily composed of rock and ice, a common recipe for celestial objects in the outer solar system. Its surface is likely a dark, dusty landscape pockmarked by countless craters, evidence of its long history of impacts. The lack of a substantial atmosphere means that Metis's surface is exposed to the harsh conditions of space. Metis, in its rapid orbit around Jupiter, performs a delicate dance with the giant planet. It's a dance dictated by gravity, a cosmic ballet where the laws of physics choreograph every move. This close proximity to Jupiter subjects Metis to extreme forces, a constant tug-of-war between Jupiter's immense gravitational pull and the Moon's own inertia. These tidal forces create internal friction within Metis, generating heat and potentially influencing its geological activity. These tidal forces also play a role in shaping Metis's orbit, locking it in a synchronous rotation with Jupiter. It's a cosmic dance where one partner leads and the other follows. Metis doesn't just orbit Jupiter in isolation. It shares its cosmic neighborhood with a faint ethereal ring system, a delicate band of dust and ice particles that encircle the giant planet. Metis orbits within this ring system, its path taking it through the faintest, innermost ring, known as the halo ring. This close proximity to the rings suggests a potential connection, a story that scientists are eager to unravel. Is Metis contributing material to the rings, or is it being shaped by them? Scientists believe that Metis, despite its small size, plays a significant role in shaping Jupiter's ring system. As Metis orbits within the ring system, its gravity acts like a shepherd, herding the dust and ice particles, keeping them confined to a narrow band. This gravitational shepherding helps to define the inner edge of Jupiter's main ring, preventing the ring particles from spreading inward towards the planet. Without Metis and other small moons like it, Jupiter's rings might be significantly different. This interaction between Metis and the rings highlights the interconnectedness of celestial objects. It's a reminder that in the cosmic dance, every partner matters. Jupiter, in addition to its massive size and gravitational pull, boasts a powerful magnetic field, the strongest of any planet in our solar system. This magnetic field, invisible to the naked eye, extends far out into space, forming a vast magnetic bubble around Jupiter, known as the magnetosphere. Metis, orbiting deep within Jupiter's magnetosphere, is constantly bathed in a stream of charged particles, electrons, and ions, trapped by the planet's magnetic field. This constant exposure to charged particles can have a significant impact on Metis's surface, altering its composition and appearance over time. Scientists are still studying the precise effects of Jupiter's magnetic field on Metis. It's clear that this tiny moon exists in a dynamic and energetic environment. It's a reminder that space is far from empty. Our understanding of Metis, like many celestial objects in our solar system, has been shaped by brief encounters with robotic explorers. The first spacecraft to grace us with images of Metis was Voyager 1, back in 1979. Its flyby, a fleeting moment in cosmic terms, provided the first tantalizing glimpses of this tiny moon. The images, though grainy by today's standards, revealed Metis's irregular shape and its proximity to Jupiter's rings. Voyager 1's encounter with Metis was like a quick hello in a crowded hallway. These early observations laid the groundwork for future missions, providing the initial clues that would guide scientists in unraveling the mysteries of this small, intriguing moon. Years later, another spacecraft would grace Metis with its presence, this time lingering longer and peering closer. The Galileo spacecraft, named after the famed astronomer who first discovered Jupiter's 4 largest moons, arrived at Jupiter in 1995, ready for an extended mission to study the giant planet and its entourage of satellites. Galileo, unlike its predecessor Voyager 1, was equipped with more advanced instruments, capable of capturing higher resolution images and collecting more detailed data about the objects it observed. This technological leap forward promised a deeper understanding of Metis and its place within Jupiter's intricate system. During its multi-year mission, Galileo performed several flybys of Metis, capturing images that revealed more of its surface features, including its craters, grooves, and irregular shape. The spacecraft also collected data on Metis's orbit, rotation, and interaction with Jupiter's magnetic field. These observations from Galileo provided valuable insights into Metis's history, composition, and the forces that continue to shape it. It was like receiving a postcard from a distant friend, sharing snippets of their life and experiences. Each piece of data, each image, brought us closer to understanding this small, enigmatic moon. The data collected by Voyager 1 and Galileo revolutionized our understanding of Metis. What was once a faint dot in the vastness of space emerged as a small world with its own unique characteristics and a story to tell. We learned that Metis is tidally locked to Jupiter, always showing the same face to the giant planet, much like our moon always shows the same face to Earth. This synchronous rotation is a consequence of Jupiter's immense gravitational pull, a constant tug that dictates Metis's every move. Scientists were also able to estimate Metis's mass and density, revealing that it's a relatively low-density object, likely composed of a mixture of rock and ice. This composition, combined with its irregular shape, suggests that Metis has experienced a violent past, shaped by countless impacts from asteroids and comets. The data also confirmed that Metis orbits within Jupiter's faint ring system, its path taking it through the innermost ring. This proximity to the rings suggests a close relationship, with Metis potentially acting as a source of ring material or a shepherd, its gravity helping to confine the ring particles. Our exploration of Metis, though enlightening, has only scratched the surface of this small moon's mysteries. Like a good book that leaves you wanting more, each discovery about Metis raises more questions, fueling our desire to return and learn more. Future missions to Jupiter and its system hold the promise of unlocking Metis's secrets in greater detail. Imagine spacecraft equipped with even more advanced instruments, capable of analyzing the composition of Metis's surface, mapping its topography in high resolution, and studying its interaction with Jupiter's magnetic field with unprecedented precision. These future missions could also include landers or rovers, touching down on Metis's surface, collecting samples, and beaming back data that would revolutionize our understanding of this small world. Imagine the thrill of receiving the first images from the surface of Metis, a landscape shaped by billions of years of cosmic history. The technology to make these missions a reality is within our grasp. What we need now is the collective will and the continued investment in space exploration to turn these dreams into reality. The future of Metis exploration is bright, filled with the promise of groundbreaking discoveries that will reshape our understanding of Jupiter's system and the cosmos beyond. Despite valuable data from previous missions, Metis still holds many secrets, mysteries waiting to be unraveled. These questions beckon us to return, to delve deeper into the unknown. Is Metis a solid body or a rubble pile? Understanding this would shed light on its formation and evolution. Another mystery is Metis's interaction with Jupiter's rings. Is it contributing material or acting as a shepherd? Answering this enhances our understanding of ring dynamics. We're also curious about Jupiter's radiation effects on Metis. How has this bombardment altered its composition over time? Studying these effects informs future missions to radiation-intensive environments. Metis, though small and seemingly insignificant in the grand scheme of the cosmos, holds immense value for scientific exploration. It serves as a reminder that even the smallest celestial objects can hold clues to the grandest mysteries of the universe. By studying small worlds like Metis, we gain a deeper understanding of the processes that shaped our solar system, from the formation of planets and moons to the intricate interplay of gravity, magnetic fields, and charged particles. Each discovery, each piece of data adds to our cosmic puzzle, painting a more complete picture of our place in the universe. Moreover, the challenges of exploring small worlds like Metis drive technological innovation, pushing the boundaries of engineering and inspiring new generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers. The pursuit of knowledge about these distant worlds fosters ingenuity, collaboration, and a shared sense of wonder about the cosmos. Metis, in its own small way, inspires us to think big, to embrace the unknown, and to continue our quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe. It's a testament to the power of curiosity and the boundless potential of human exploration. As we gaze up at the night sky, our eyes are drawn to the distant stars, those twinkling beacons of light that have captivated humans for millennia. But among those stars lie countless other wonders, celestial objects that beckon us to explore. Metis, a tiny moon orbiting a giant planet, may seem insignificant but holds big surprises. Its irregular shape, swift orbit, and close dance with Jupiter's rings tell a story, a cosmic narrative stretching back billions of years. Metis reminds us that even the smallest objects hold clues to grand mysteries. It underscores the importance of exploration, of venturing beyond the familiar to expand our knowledge. It's a testament to human curiosity and our desire to understand the universe. This curiosity drives us to explore and innovate, to push the boundaries of what's possible. Our journey of cosmic exploration is far from over. With each new mission, each technological advancement, we peer deeper into the cosmos, uncovering new wonders and refining our understanding of the universe we inhabit. As we continue to explore, let us carry with us the lessons learned from Metis, a tiny moon that has taught us so much about the interconnectedness of celestial objects, the power of gravity, and the dynamic forces that shape our solar system. Let us inspire future generations to embrace the spirit of discovery, to ask bold questions, and to never stop exploring the universe and all its wonders. For in the words of the great Carl Sagan, somewhere, something incredible is waiting to be known. And as we venture further into the cosmos, let us remember that our exploration is not just about seeking answers. It's about embracing the mystery, the awe, and the profound sense of wonder that comes from contemplating our place in this vast and ever-expanding universe.